how to create a photo like this. I will provide you with an easy way on how you can generate a picture or a photo like this one. It's easy. Follow me and I'll show you how. This, you have to upload the product that you are going to use and open your ChatGPT and upload the picture that you are going to use. I'll be using this bottle, and then put this command or prompt: A340 realistic or ultra realistic high resolution digital artwork of an energy drink bottle titled Grape Seed Extract powder, placed mid-air, surrounded by dynamic splashes of grape juice. Bottle is the exact one I'm going to provide, designed with condensation droplets and a glossy finish. Grapes float around it in the splash, with icy water particles frozen mid-motion. The background features a dark, moody tone enhanced with soft purple neon lighting, creating a dramatic contrast. The illumination is cinematic, with glowing highlights and wet reflection on a shiny surface, so the overall image has a commercial, premium product ad aesthetic. No extra text, no logo overlay, only the bottle. Okay, so if you are satisfied, all you have to do is click this arrow and wait till the image or till the ChatGPT generated the image. Okay, so let's see the finished product, or let's wait for the finished product. Okay, and you will have something like this. Easy, right? Okay, so it's now your turn to create your own project, and if you want to share your finished product, just go ahead, put it in the comment section. And if you want to learn more, if you want to know more tutorial like this, just click subscribe and click the bell button for notification, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.